निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनम बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What is jiva? What is atma? ज्ञानाधिकरणम आत्मा। जो ज्ञान, what is ज्ञान अधिकरण is आत्मा। For जीवात्मा दुख निवृत्ति is the goal। जीवात्मा wants दुख निवृत्ति। दुख से सारे दुख का उल्लेख है। All sorrows have to go for जीवात्मा। But why there is दुखम in the first place? दुख क्यों है? तो दुख इज देयर, ये तो हम वेदांत में कहेंगे कि अविद्या है इसलिए। न्याय, इन न्याय व्हाट दे विल से, व्हाई देयर इज दुखम? बिकॉज देयर इज शरीरम। शरीर is there, then dukham is going to be there. There is no individual who has body and no sorrow. So ashana pipasa, these two will be there. Hunger, thirst. Jara mrityu will be there. Body is there, so old age will be there, mrityu will be there. Old age doesn't come directly, it comes through disease, roga. So ashana pipasa, jara mrityu, this much is there. And jara means rogadi is also there. And then you have shoka moha. So some dukkham or the other always is going to be there. अब ये problem है, now this problem. Where are you staying? I am staying away from everybody. What is the problem? Don't ask me. अभी ये problem है, अभी वो problem है, अभी ये problem है, अभी वो problem. So what does this tell? If your prarabdha has problem, no matter where you go, आप उत्तरकाशी के गुफा में जाके रहो, problem will say आप कहाँ जा रही हो? I have to give you sorrow. आप वहाँ घुस के बैठे हो तो वहाँ आ जाऊँगा, I will come there. आप कहीं नीचे दक्षिण में चले जाओ या विदेश चले जाओ, sorrow will come. So because you have sharira, that sharira is tied to some prarabdha. Sorrow will come to you. You will say this person is problem, that person is problem, ये है वो है, इनका ये है, उनका ये है, मैं ये बदल दूंगा, वो बदल दूंगा। आप कुछ भी करो, मेन प्रॉब्लम यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, प्रॉब्लम आप स्वयं हो। आपने कर्म ऐसा किया है, यू हैव डन सच कर्मस बिकॉज ऑफ विच प्रॉब्लम्स आर कमिंग टू यू नाउ, एंड प्रॉब्लम्स विल कीप कमिंग इन दिस लाइफ. And they will come in next life, because every time we will do some or the other gadbad. Only difference is कि sometimes we do some less problematic karma, sometimes we do more problematic karmas. That's all. That is the only difference. The more we blame whole world, this problem, that is problem, that is problem, we are only adding more problems in our life. वी हैव टू लर्न दिस. वेदांत पढ़ के इफ वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच, इट इज नॉट गुड. नेवर ब्लेम एनीबॉडी. ओनली आचार्य कैन ब्लेम पीपल. Nobody. You can say that this is your problem, that is your problem, but you have to understand that I myself have to work on it. That's all. Nobody else can solve anything. You cannot say that because I am living in this city, therefore there is problem. Because these people are around me, they are problem. I will go somewhere where nobody is there. Some other problem will come. And after 50, this body has its own back problem, neck problem, these problems, that will also continue. For some people it is after 50, some people earlier only. So dukkha is there because sharira is there. Sharira is there because prarabdha is there. Prarabdha has come because of dharma, dharma. Either it will be sukha or dukkha, punya, apunya, everything is there. So these things are inevitable. Now punya, apunya, punya, papa are there because of my raga, dvesha. These things is common for all astika darshanas. Astika darshana will accept that right now I have body but there is karma from previous janma. सभी आस्तिक मानेंगे. पुनर्जन्म सभी मानेंगे. धर्म अधर्म पुण्य पाप सभी. सो ऑल आस्तिक दर्शनस, वेदर इट इज न्याय, वैशेषिक, सांख्य, योग, पूर्व मीमांसा, उत्तर मीमांसा, एवरीबडी हैज एक्सेप्टेड दिस मच. एंड दैट दुख निवृत्ति इज थ्रू ज्ञानम. व्हाट ज्ञानम इज डिफरेंट. But this much is true, dukkha nivritti is through jnanam only. Because if it is karma janya, it will be anitya. That moksha is anitya moksha. That I will get moksha, then after some time it will go away. So that moksha is of no use. So this much everybody has to understand. कि इतना तो सभी ने स्वीकार किया है. एवरीबडी हैज एक्सेप्टेड. दिस मच इज द कॉमन थिंग. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी फर्दर. यस्टरडेज क्लास, आई होप एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग. तो चक्षुर्मात्र ग्राह्य गुणो रूपम. चक्षुर्मात्र ग्राह्य गुण रूपम. रूपम किम गुणत्वे सति चक्षुर्मात्र. Then we added jatimatvam. If only guna is said, guna is rupam, then there will be ativyapti in other gunas. If it is said chakshurmatra grahya rupam, then where will be ativyapti? In no, not Januka. If it is said chakshur matra grahya rupam, chakshur matra grahya rupam. What? Inspection. Chakshur matra grahya, if it is said, why it will go in sparsha? In what? Sankhya. Chakshur matra grahya is not sankhya. Sankhya is the sparshadi grahya. first you listen, everybody. When I say, पहले सुनो. When I am talking something, when you are reading something else, then when I talk, then you will understand whatever. Chakshur matra grahya rupam. If only this much is said. Chakshur matra grahya is rupam. Where will be ativyapti? Chakshur matra grahya is what? हाँ, रूपत्व, रूप अभाव also. So they are not guna, but they are chakshur matra grahya. Tika is there, Padakriti. I am just following that only. Ativyapti. Rupa, rupatva, rupa abhava. All three are gathered through chakshur matra grahya. If I say chakshur matra grahya, rupam. Chakshur matra grahya is there, but rupatva is also chakshur matra grahya. Abhava is also. Okay. Then, if I say चक्षुर ग्राह्य गुणः रूपम, चक्षुर ग्राह्य गुणः, तो संख्या में अतिव्याप्ति होगी. बिकॉज संख्या इज ऑल्सो चक्षुर ग्राह्य, बट इज ऑल्सो स्पर्श ग्राह्य. सो दैट्स वाई चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्य, मात्र पद. इफ इट इज सेड गुणः रूपम, देन अदर रसादि, रसादि अतिव्याप्ति. देन सी प्रभाभित्ति संयोग, प्रभाभित्ति संयोग is known through chakshu or not? चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्य is there, it is there. प्रभाभित्ति संयोग वारणाय गुणपदेन विशेष गुणस्य विवक्षणीयतया. अगर इंस्टेड of saying guna, you say vishesha guna. So prabhavitti sanyoga is what? Vishesha guna or samanya guna? Prabhavitti sanyoga is vishesha guna or samanya guna? Samanya guna. संख्या, परिमाण, पृथक्त्व, संयोग is what? सामान्य गुण. चक्षुर्ग्राह्य गुणः रूपम, चक्षुर्ग्राह्य गुणः, तो संख्या में अतिव्याप्ति होगी, बिकॉज संख्या इज ऑल्सो चक्षुर्ग्राह्य बट इज ऑल्सो स्पर्शग्राह्य, सो दैट्स वाई चक्षुर्मात्र ग्राह्य, मात्र पदम. If it is said गुणः रूपम, then other रसादि, रसादि अतिव्याप्ति. Then see प्रभाभित्ति संयोग, प्रभाभित्ति संयोग is known through चक्षु or not? चक्षुर्मात्र ग्राह्य is there, it is there. प्रभाभित्ति संयोग वारणाय गुणपदेन विशेष गुणस्य विवक्षणीयतया. अगर इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग गुण यू से विशेष गुण, तो प्रभावित्ति संयोग इज व्हाट? विशेष गुण और सामान्य गुण. प्रभावित्ति संयोग इज विशेष गुण और सामान्य गुण. सामान्य गुण, संख्या, परिमाण, पृथक्त्व, संयोग इज व्हाट? सामान्य गुण. तो एनी संयोग, एनी ऑफ दिस फाइव इज सामान्य गुण. तो हियर वी वांट टू टेक ओनली विशेष गुण. तो देन सामान्य गुण विल गो इफ यू जस्ट ऐड द पद विशेष. ओके. तथापि सांसिद्धिक द्रवत्व, सांसिद्धिक द्रवत्व इज वेयर? जल. एनी टीका है सांसिद्धिक द्रवत्वादि, आदि इज देयर? आपकी टीका में तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि मेरी टीका में नहीं है. नहीं है. बट इफ देयर इज आदि देन व्हाट इट विल बी? हाँ, जो तर्क संग्रह पढ़ चुके हैं वो बताओ. सांसिद्धिक द्रवत्व आदि, आदि पदे न आप मात्र पद. ओके, आई विल गिव एक दृष्टांत. अच्छा रहने दो, इतना ही ठीक है. सांसिद्धिक द्रवत्व वारणाय मात्र पदम आवश्यकम, चक्षुर्मात्र ग्राह्य. गुरुत्व, गुरुत्व सांसिद्धिक मतलब अपने स्वरूप से सिद्ध. Gurutva also you will not know. Gurutva can be known, not Gurutva, Sneha. Sneha means stickiness. Stickiness. वो चक्षु से तो पता चलेगा, but स्पर्श also will know. So it is not चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्य. That's why you have to give मात्र पदम. Now the next part. Who understood the next part? Tell me. वस्तुतस्तु परमाणु रूपे अव्याप्ति वारणाय चक्षुर्मात्र ग्राह्य जाति मत्वस्य विवक्षणीयतया विशेष पदम न देयम. If anybody understood, just raise your hand, then I will ask. You can raise hand here also, you can raise hand online also. Huh? Nobody has raised hand. हाँ, साधना अम्मा, explain. वस्तुतस्तु परमाणु रूपे अव्याप्ति. पहले बताओ व्हाट इज अव्याप्ति. लक्षण बताना पड़ेगा.
लक्षण एक the परमाणु will not be when it is in परमाणु रूप, but the is in परमाणु रूप, it will not be दिखेगा नहीं, it will not be seen.
हाँ, it is not चक्षुग्राह्य.
It is when it is there it is अव्याप्ति. But it is when it is together, जाति मत्व है. When it is together with the collection of paramanus, then we can see that.
हाँ, ओके. तो वस्तुतस्तु परमाणु रूपे अव्याप्ति. परमाणु रूप इज नॉट चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्यम. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्य गुणो रूपम, दिस लक्षणम इज नॉट इनफ. सो नाउ दे हैव टू चेंज द लक्षण टू चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्य जातिमत्वम. यू हैव टू ऐड चक्षुर मात्र ग्राह्य जातिमत्वम. If you add this, then what will happen? It has jati. Parmanu Rupa also has Rupatva jati. Jatimatvam, so that which has jati also, and then it is Chakshur Matra Grahya. Vivakshaniyateya Vishesh Padam you don't have to give. There is no need of giving Vishesha Padam, but we will have Chakshur Matra Grahya, and we will also have Jati, Jati Matvam. Chakshur Matra Grahya, Jati Matvam, Jati Matve Sati, Gunatvam. This will be the Lakshana. त्र्यणुकादि वारणाय गुणपदम तु देयम, and गुणपद you will have to give to do त्र्यणुक. What is त्र्यणुक?
Three almost together.
No, त्र्यणु, that is okay. What is त्र्यणुक? त्र्यणुक is which पदार्थ है? यदि द्रव्य गुण कर्म सामान्य विशेष समवाय अभाव. द्रव्य, त्रेणुक इज द्रव्य. परमाणु इज व्हाट? इज द्रव्य. सो द्वेणुक विल बी द्रव्य, त्रेणुक विल बी द्रव्य. So Tranuk is also Chakshur Matra Grahya. It is not Sparsha Grahya, but it is Dravya. Any Tranuka, if you take Prithvi Tranuka, it will be Prithvi Dravya. It will be Jala Tranuka, will be.
It's not classified under anything.
No, Tranuka is not fundamental. 9 dravyas are there. Okay.
In all 9 dravyas?
Those who have Parmanu, only they will form Dvyanuka, Tranuka. Akash Parmanu is there, so how will Tranuka will come?
So what is Parmanu? confusion. One
परमाणु is द्रव्य.
then it will become the
परमाणु is द्रव्य or not?
Dravya.
My question is परमाणु द्रव्य है कि नहीं? परमाणु is द्रव्य.
Under the classification, only the 9 names are given. I mean, strictly going by definition.
Yes, though.
Only the 9 names are given, and under 3 are not having Paramanu.
Not 3, 6, 5.
5 are not having Paramanu. So how it should be either classified as 10th Dravya or it should be.
No, it is not 10th द्रव्य. जल, पृथ्वी.
हाँ,
पृथ्वी is द्विविध, 2 रूपा. नित्य, अनित्य. What is nitya?
Paramanu.
So पृथ्वी परमाणु is there or not?
हाँ, it is there.
So why you want 10th द्रव्य?
Because Dravya is not classified in Sapta Padartha, it is not.
द्रव्य ही सप्त पदार्थ है.
Not Dravya, Paramanu.
Why? See, if द्रव्य is there, द्रव्य is classified as 9. 9, one of them is Prithvi. In Prithvi there is Parmanu. Where does it come?
In Dravya, so.
Then from Parmanu comes Tryanuk.
My confusion is because
So,
the word
no.
is not used anywhere. Like,
Tryanuk is Dravyam. Right now you just know this much there. 7 padarthas are there, Dravya is there. From Dravya comes Prithvi. Prithvi has Parmanu. 3 Parmanus form Tryanuk. So in which line it comes? Dravya. So if you don't say Guna, there will be Ativyapti in Dravya, in Tryanuk. That's why this is given. Tryanukadi Varanaya Gunapadam tu Deyam. Three. नहीं, three Dvyanuk. Three Dvyanuk. Dvyanuk means 3 Dvyanuk. Sapta iti Rupam iti Anushajyate.
Swamiji, then, sorry. Jati, you said, is other name for Samanya. So, Jati will be in Sapta Padartha.
Yeah, it is.
And Paramanu will be in.
Dravya. Rupam iti Anushajyate. Sapta. So where you have to put? Sapta vidham. It is given in Moolam. Shukla, wait. Shukla, Neela, Pita, Rakta, Harita, Kapisha, Chitra, Bhedat, Sapta vidham. Then you have to say Rupam. So you have to say Shukla Rupam, Neela Rupam, Pita Rupam in this way. Okay. Further now. Rasanagrahyo guno rasaha sacha madhuramla lavana katukashaya tikta bhedat shadvidah prithvi jala vrittihi तत्र पृथिव्याम षड्विधः जले मधुर एव चित्र is also there. Chitra is given in Sanskrit also. Chitra Vedat. Chitra Rupam is there. Why you have to read Hindi? Chitra is given in Moolam. Chitra means Vichitra, combination. I told you, whatever is not in 6 is the 7th one. Chitra is there in Rasa also. Chitra Rasa. Madhura means sweet. Amla, khata, sour. Lavana, salty. Katu, Katu is, we think bitter, but they show chili for Katu. And Tikta they show bitter. I don't know, but in our Hindi translation, Katu means kadwa, Tikta means tikha, but it is not like that in Sanskrit, I think. And Kashaya is, the taste is ruksha. It doesn't fall in these. It just produces dryness like that. Example? नहीं, वो जैसे they give example as आवला, but I don't think that is right. You know हरडे देखा है? हरडे हाँ, त्रिफला जो है ना, उसमें 3 फल होते हैं. कौन से? त्रिफला मतलब 3 फल वाला. एक है आंवला, दूसरा है हरडा, वो हरडे बोलते हैं. उसका स्वाद ऐसा रहता है, आप मुंह में रखो कोई स्वाद नहीं आएगा. उसके बाद आप जल पियो. यू शुड ड्रिंक वाटर आफ्टर दैट. वाटर विल टेस्ट वेरी स्वीट. I don't know. No, that is different. Anyway, षड्विधः. पृथ्वी जल वृत्ति ही, ये हो गया ना? हाँ, पृथ्वी जल वृत्ति ही. पृथ्वी और जल, ये दो में क्या रहेगा? दिन these two there will be rasa. पृथ्वी वृत्ति ही, जल वृत्ति ही. In the previous one, रूपम, पृथ्वी जल तेजो वृत्ति, विसर्ग is not there. In this one there is visarga. पृथ्वी जल वृत्ति ही. What is the difference?
Teja is not. This is Strilinga.
हाँ, जल कहाँ? जल नहीं आया. हाँ, somebody else said something. Jala is not Pullinga. This is so simple. Prithvi Jala is Vrittihi, Prithvi Jala Vrittihi. And earlier it was given Prithvi Jala Tejo Vritti. This much you should understand. देखो जरा ठीक से.
Tejas is Napunsakalinga.
हाँ, so
that's why it is here. I mean the last word whatever is there.
अच्छा, ये this is समास है. नो, क्या नपुंसक लिंग क्या है? जल नपुंसक, गलत है. आपको? हाँ? Anybody else? Okay, now I will tell you. रसः is पुल्लिंग, रूपम is नपुंसकलिंग. जल को और तेज को पकड़ के क्या करना है? रसः इस पुल्लिंग, देयरफॉर वृत्ति ही किसके लिए विशेषण है? रसः. समझ में आया? रसः पृथ्वी जल वृत्ति ही कहा. रसः पृथ्वी जल तेजो वृत्ति किम? पृथ्वी जल तेजो वृत्ति किम? रूपम. तत्र पृथिव्याम षड्विधः, तत्र पृथिव्याम षड्विधः कहा? रसः. पृथ्वी has 6 types of rasa. Jala has only 1, madhura. Jale madhura eva. देखो, I will tell you one thing. Ratifying व्याकरण sutras is one thing. To see and to do pankti is different. Somebody may know lot of sutras. They will not know this word is for what. वो तो आपको you have to practice differently, and you have to have this knack of seeing things. Okay, let us see Padakritya now. Rasana iti. अच्छा, in any book it is rasana grahya or rasana grahya, every book?
In my book it is rasana grahya.
rasana grahya.
Swamiji? Rasana dirgha. Okay, Padakrityam. Rasatwadi varanaya guna iti. If guna was not given, if it was given rasana grahyo rasaha, then what would happen? Huh? What did Swamiji say?
Would have become agrahya. So it is rasana grahya.
Rasana grahya. We have to take rasana grahya only. Rasana.
Dirgha is not there.
In your book it is not there.
Dirgha is cut. Dirgha is there, but it is cut. Amended. It is corrected.
Another reading is there, rasana grahya. That's why I was asking. इसमें रसन ग्राह्य कहाँ? ये क्या है? कौन सी? अच्छा, so हाँ, some places you will find rasana grahya and some places you will find rasana grahya. Okay. So most of the books have see, I will tell you. If most of the books have published rasana grahya, that is what is read by majority of people. So you understand rasana grahya or rasanendriya grahya. Rasana, when they say rasanendriya, because we don't say rasana indriya, we say rasana indriya. In the indriyas, rasanam was used. Indriyam rasagrahakam rasanam. Okay. So rasana you can understand. Rasana grahyo guno rasaha. If guna shabda is not given, then ativyapti will be there in abhava. Which abhava? Rasa abhava. Rasatva, rasa abhava. In both there will be ativyapti. For ativyapti varanaya guna. So rasana grahyo guno rasaha. Rupadav ativyapti varanaya rasana iti. In rupa there would be ativyapti if it was said guno rasaha. So now it is given rasana grahyo guno rasaha. Further, so that's enough. Now there is nothing much. Tatra iti prithvi jalayoho ityarthaha. In prithvi and jala. So tatra prithivyam shadvidaha. Rasa is there only in two, prithvi and jala. So of these two, prithvi jalayoho, prithivyam shadvidaha, jale madhurayava. Bas. Atra rasa iti anuvartate. Prithivyam shadvidaha rasa, jale madhura एव रसः। घ्राणग्राह्यो गुणो गन्धः सद्विविधः सुरभिरसुरभिश्च पृथिवीमात्रवृत्तिः। पृथिवीमात्रवृत्तिः इज पुल्लिंग। व्हाई? हाँ, because gandha is pulling, therefore prithvi matra vritti. Granendriya grahya gunah gandha. It is of two types. Surabhi means fragrance, asurabhi foul smell, and it is only in prithvi. Prithvi matra vritti. Over. Moolam is saralam. Tika is long. Gandhatvadav ativyapti varanaya guna iti. In gandhatva and gandha abhava, there will be ativyapti. So ativyapti varanaya grana grahyo gandha. It is not given. It is given grana grahyo guno gandha. Gunatve sati grana grahyatvam. Kasya lakshanam? गंधस्य लक्षणम। षष्ठी रूपादाव अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय घ्राण ग्राह्य इति। रूपादौ अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय घ्राण ग्राह्य। गुणः गंधः, only this much if it was said, then रूपा also is guna, rasa is also guna. So in that ativyapti varnaya घ्राण ग्राह्य। पृथ्वी इति पृथ्वी संबंध सत्वे गंध प्रतीति सत्वम। पृथ्वी संबंधाभावे गंध प्रतीति अभाव इति अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम पृथ्वी गंधस्यैव जले प्रतीतिर्बोध्या। व्हाट इज अन्वय लक्षणम? नो, अन्वय सामान्य लक्षणम। हाँ, इन संस्कृत बहुत करेक्ट है, बट यू हैव टू टेल इन यत् सत्वे यत् सत्वम अन्वयस्य लक्षणम। यदभावे यदभावः व्यतिरेकस्य लक्षणम। यत् सत्वे यत् सत्वम यदभावे यदभावः, that is व्यतिरेक। So here पृथ्वी संबंध सत्वे गंध प्रतीति सत्वम। पृथ्वी संबंध if it is there, then gandha pratiti is there. Prithvi sambandha is not there, gandha pratiti is not there. So let us say air is coming, and in air there is gandha. So in air if there is gandha, that means Prithvi sambandha is there, because gandha pratiti sattvam is only if there is Prithvi sambandha sattva. इति अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम पृथ्वी गंधस्य एव जले प्रतीतिर्बोध्या। इन जल also if there is gandha, see पृथ्वी संबंध is there with jala. Plain water if you take in glass there is no smell. एवं वायौ अपि, this much is clear. Now Purva Paksha is there. Then we will have to see next time only. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।